Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to copy pictures to another albums on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. First, open up Photos. Then you can open up any album. I'll just tap on Recents, and now here first I have to copy some images. In order to do that, I'll just hit and select. Then I can just check mark those photos, and then right here hit a three dots icon to bring up that options, and here I can hit add copy to copy those images to the clipboard. Now I can move on to any other album. Let it be even a folder. I can open a folder, then I can open up album in that folder. And now here, in order to paste images that I have just copied, I can just hold down somewhere at blank space and then hit on paste. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone and the Photos tutorials playlists, where you will find a lot of useful videos. You can easily find that playlist in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.